We stumble down the avenue like fairy dust and ballyhoo. They promised us forever, but we got less. There's no such thing as promises, just secret codes from alphabets. They promised us forever, but we got less. These are the best of times, twisting and borrowed times. These are the loneliest of times. Shining shades are here to stand. Ever since Bowie died, it hasn't been the same. All the madmen going mental, grandma's on the fentanyl now. Strange days are here to stand. Well, this is how the world will end, when superheroes play pretend. They promised us forever, but we got less. It's the return of the blob, and Jesus gonna quit his job. He promised us forever, but we got less. These are the best of times, twisted immoral times. These are the loneliest of times. Strange days are here to stand. Everyone is racist and the Uber's running late. I just lost my sense of humor. Gen Z killing baby boomer now. Strange days are here to stand. Lonely boy with a heart made of hate. Baby Babylon and making guns made out of clay. Are we in hell or is this just a fantasy? I can't see this ending well. Now that it's too late. Strange days are here to stay. Ever since Bowie died, it hasn't been the same. All the madmen going mental, grandma's on the fentanyl.